I didn't notice I turned 50. Thought I'd chill, but life's still tricky. Used to rush, now I just sigh. Even lying down feels like a tried. Social fear's a young man's line. Lying flat, they call that fine. But 50, please, can we get a word that's mine? Still at work, still chasing pay. Boss is young, what can I say? In meetings I smile, not all day. Pretend I get there slaying, yeah. Oh, 50, my 50. Don't talk past, sounds too heavy. Don't show kids, don't act daddy. Just sip latte, blend in steady. Oh, 50, play cool, act trendy. They talk startups, space and fame. I just stretch and join the game. They say still time, you'll be okay. I laugh, yeah, till my hair turns gray. Used to cry and eat some noodles. Now I cry, same noodles, fewer doodles. Add one egg, cause health's the rule. That's my 50, kinda cool.